this video, I'm going to show you how we can use Overleaf and LaTeX to nicely draft your thesis. So it might be your final year project in your undergraduate degree, or it might be your master's thesis. Whatever it is, Overleaf and LaTeX is the best choice for you to very easily draft your thesis in a very nice way. So you can start by clicking new project, and there are many options, and you can see thesis is one of the options. So you can click thesis. So there are many formats to choose from, and you can also see that they have some standard templates for some of the universities in the world. So if your university is one of those, you can simply click that and very easily get the template that is relevant to you. Or else you can select one of the templates that you think that would suit your purpose, and then you can modify it. So in my case, I thought that I'd take this University of Western Australia, so I can simply click open as template. Right. So let us wait until it compiles. So now you can see this is the PDF. It's very nice, very neat. So now we need to do some customizations. For instance, we need to replace this with our university logo. You can replace the university name, and then maybe the title of your thesis, the name of the student, or there can be several names, names of your supervisors. Maybe you need to add the date, maybe you need to remove that. You can add acknowledgements, whatever the things, but you can even add or remove some topics, and how to add figures, how to add tables, the abstract, and all those kind of things. So I actually modified this template for the university that I work for. So then I will produce this template to my students. So what they simply have to do is they can simply go to sort of Overleaf and then click new project, and then they can click upload project, and then they can simply click the LaTeX file, the zip file, and it will open up the LaTeX template. So yes, so this is the university that I work for. So I have done some modifications. So I'll show you the modifications that I have done, so it will be easier for you to do whatever the modifications that are necessary for your university. So in this format, you can see that in this main text, it calls for some other text files, right? So in order to change this first page, I'll go to title.txt, and here I have replaced the logo with my university logo. So I have also added this logo file as the logo image file into this image folder, and then I have also changed this titles. So here you can see if you go to the title, you can see that this says University of Western Australia final year project, and this is the topic. So I have changed that based on my requirements. So you can sort of play around and then see what suits you the best. And then I have sort of filled this text so the students can easily see, okay, what should I do there. And then the table of contents is there. So another modification that I did is to sort of have a page break in between each of these sections, because you can see that here all those things do not have any page breaks, these topics or sections. So you can see that I have added some page breaks in between, and then there's the list of tables, the abstract, and also the list of figures should be here, yes. And then the introduction. So what I did was I added some sample figures and tables. So you can see that I have added a figure here. So using these commands, or using these LaTeX commands, I can add a figure. So you can see here it's a figure, and it's ideally to be placed in the bottom. You can even change it to be in the top by replacing this with T, and then it can be 0.8 of the times of the text width. So if I say it's 0.9, you can see that it will be larger. And then it's in this image folder, and then the name of this image. So it's always good to have these images as PDF files. So I'll show you how you can sort of come up with nice figures like this using draw.io in another video. So here you can see I have given a caption to this figure, and then I have also labeled it. So wherever I want, I can refer to this figure as a figure, maybe I can use this tilde, and then figure tilde ref fig colon 60. So then it will, no matter where it is, it will properly refer to this figure, and I can add figures here and there, that's fine. So the numbering will be perfect, there won't be any issues. And then I can also add a table here. So this is the caption of the table, the label, and then you can sort of like play around with these values. And then the columns, and there are 2 columns and 4 rows. So I can also refer to this table. So and also I can sort of refer to other sections. So here I wanted to refer to another section, so what I did was I went to this main text and then added a label to this section that I needed to refer to. So then I can sort of refer to that section from here, /ref, and refer to that section, right, which I have labeled. So another important thing to know is how to add citations. So you can see here that I have added 1 citation, and if you move to the references, you can see that citation is already there. So for that you need the bibliography. So you can simply go to Google Scholar and then maybe type paper. Maybe you can search by my name, and if there's a particular paper, you can click this and then click bibtex. So you can get the bibtex. So you can very easily copy it, and then you can go to the ref.bib and then paste it. Then you can copy this part, and then you can go to the place where you want to refer to that particular reference, let's say here in the title, in the caption. So you can very easily refer by typing cite and then putting that particular value that you copied. So you can see. Yes, you can see the particular reference also. So this information should be sufficient for you to start your thesis work using Overleaf and LaTeX. So you can of course play around and do whatever you like, and then make it more customized, and then play around to make it look better and suit your purpose. So I wish you all the best. Cheers.